I'm about to show you a home in the middle of the city, right on the ocean, that is so private, I can't even tell you where it's located. In fact, it took me almost a month just to convince the sellers to allow me to shoot this video. Let's go take a look. This home was completely reimagined and only 2 original walls remain. Every other detail was rebuilt from the ground up with no expense spared. Take the floors, for example. The architect flew to a quarry in Spain to hand select the full slab marble you're gonna see throughout the home. It's seamless, it's stunning, and it is one of a kind. So the home itself is 2 stories. There's an outdoor space I'm gonna show you here in a second, but it was designed, specifically this first floor, to relax and to be present by the sea. When I say spared no expense, I'm being serious. These right here are QMI shutters flown in from Florida, and these are some of the best storm and security shutters that money can buy. There's actually competition, or at least there used to be, where they would pay people $10,000 just to try to break these shutters. You've got 2 5-ton Lennox central AC units, top of the line, really unnoticeable ducts, and just everything is made to a super high standard. This bookshelf is some of the best money can buy. And look at this, you're sitting at the dining room table, looking at the reflection of the ocean, or there's the kitchen. Let's go take a look. The setup is awesome. 3-centimeter marble counters, a $28,000 extractor hood. Everything here is top of the line. This particular stove is what they use on yachts. This stove can grill. This stove has got convection. You've got an espresso maker. This kitchen is awesome. And take a look at that. Little sunlight. Why does that matter, guys? Ventilation. You're in a house in the middle of Panama City, and sometimes some of these houses get a little musty. Not this one. This one's in great shape. And how awesome is this little setup? You got kids? Feed them through the window. Or you got kids? Don't even look at them. How awesome is this staircase? Like I said, you've got I-beams going right into the wall, floating staircase, hidden handrail lights. This place is classy, and wait till you see these bedrooms. Come on up. Upstairs, the master bedroom is enormous, with a private sitting area and the sound of the waves just below your window. It's a space that feels both grand and grounded. The master bedroom continues the marble theme. It's elegant, it's timeless, and it's impeccably finished. Down the hall, the second bedroom is also very large. What stands out is the adjacent movie room and den with an old school projector style screen that drops down high tension right in front of the built-in bookcase. And there's also a third bedroom ensuite, perfect for guests, kids, or a home office. So this area is kind of special. This is sort of the pool area right on the ocean level, and this behind me used to be an Irish bar, and then it was a home gym, and now it's kind of whatever you want to do with it. But imagine what you could do. Maybe turn it back into a bar, maybe make it a gym, maybe make it an art studio, but it's got so much potential. And again, the smell. Those floors are teak floors. That's what they use in boats. Those things will last for years. And man, if you could only be here to smell it right now. And then this. The backyard, anchored by a pool just steps from the Pacific Ocean, protected by a 5.5-meter break wall. It's rare to find this kind of privacy in the heart of the city. This place has it all. You ready to make your own? Give me a call. This pool could be yours right on the water in downtown Panama City, Panama. Thanks for watching, guys.